If you are going to Disneyland in Tokyo or Tokyo Disney Sea and you're worried about how to get around from park to park with their train or monorail system, I'm going to go ahead and break that down for you. So keep watching and make sure to save this video for your next trip to Tokyo Sea. So depending on how you come into the park, it's going to be a little bit different where you start, but we went to the first train station and we took the monorail from there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what you're going to be seeing and how you're going to get your tickets for that. So you can see this little square here is actually the stops on the monorail. More than likely, you're going to be starting at the gateway station, which is that little brown one right there. And from there, at that station, when you get in, you're going to look up above at the signs, and there will be one sign to the left that says Disneyland and arrows that way, and one sign to the right that says Tokyo Sea and signs that way. You're just going to decide which park you want to go to first or which park you're going to go to that day. Follow the signs to that park. Then what you're going to do is it's going to take you into almost like at a subway station where you can go ahead and buy your tickets, and then you go through this little like turning point, and then you go get in line to get on the monorail. Right at that point, it's going to give you an option to buy your tickets, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. This is the ticket center. It gives you the option to do English, and then you can buy a day pass or just one pass for each way you decide to go. Then once you get on the monorail, it just looks like this. It's super clean. It will give you that little square map of where it's going, so you know what stop you're getting off at. If you do miss your stop, you can always just keep riding it because it will go all the way around. This is one of the entry stations to one of the parks, and it does have storage lockers. So if you are planning on coming from a hotel, you can go ahead and bring any luggage with you. And this is the Tokyo. And here's the map. I hope that helped you guys out. On the left side of this map is Disney Sea, and then on the right is going to be Disneyland. And that monorail goes all the way around. You can see kind of this white line that goes all the way around the perimeter. That's where the monorail goes. And then that Bayside station is going to take the hotel guests that are staying at the Disney hotels to and from their hotels. So really, you just have to get to the main gateway station, and from there you just decide to go to Disneyland or go to Tokyo Sea. It is a little bit big and overwhelming, so just keep in mind you're going to want to look up for the signs that specifically say Disneyland or Tokyo Sea. They will be in English, and there will be signs pointing which way to go get your ticket. I hope this helps. I hope you guys have so much fun. Make sure to save this video in case you do plan on going and you want to be able to work the monorail. We ended up doing just a day pass, and I think that was actually the smart idea because we only did one day at both Disneyland and Tokyo Sea on the same day, and we ended up having to ride the monorail 3 times. And the day pass is going to be beneficial if you ride 3 times or more. If you're only going to ride it twice, like to one park that day and back, then just pay as you go to ride it, and that will be the cheaper option for you. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to get those answered for you.